Right there, man. Get your sister's pride and joy. What do you think? Don't look that bad, right?
Goofy as fuck.
Kind of like you?
Yeah.
Right.
Wait a minute, no.
Kind of. Cut.
Throttle, bro.
It don't look bad, but you got like some tore up bearings here. Did you see the fucking number plate, twisted metal? Like the front fender. Like we could polish, hopefully polish out. Like there's work here, you know?
Yeah.
There's a little stuff I can do until I get better, you know, before I go back to work, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
This is missing a bolt. This is missing a bolt, like. So I asked her, I'm like, you know, I'll buy you new fenders, I'll buy you new, oh, I gotta ask Evan what color we should do, and I gotta ask Evan this, and I was like, all right, well, I wasn't buy the shit for you, but, you know, you
God forbid she wants to do something with her boyfriend.
Oh, I know, but, you know, I like to be in control. I look fucking old. All right.
You are old.
Now, try that again. Hey, I got the keys if you want to take it for a rip. Just let me know.
Working.
All right. We're doing that next. Keep playing with it. Nope, that thing's dead. I say I got a battery in the shed. Let's, son, it's dead. It's dead. Stop trying to kill it, man.
Well, I mean, sometimes it keeps you in the body to make sure it is.
No. All right. Let's go get the good battery in the tool. All right, it was simple enough. You took that off with a... now let's start with the mount here. Should be the same size. Check it. Smaller? Try an 8mm. I should have one in there somewhere. No?
No, it's the one missing.
Here, let's do the deep. You got the little ratchet, right? Try that. You're going to take these two off because you can see that's holding the battery down. You're going tight, otherwise, son. Got it? There we go. Spinning by fingies. Alright, stop and get the next one. God damn, it smells like ants out here. We ain't shitting.
There, I just showed you.
Alright, go ahead, hit that one. There we go. I'm going to stick these right over here so we don't lose them with your Allen key to put your seat back on. Alright, you might get that with your fingers now. Now this should just pull up. Yep. Alright. So now your battery is free. Well, we just got to take them off. What size are they? 10?
Yeah, I already got it right now.
Oh shit, you know what? We never got the battery out of the Alright, let's get this one out. You can probably do it with a Phillips.
Yeah, I probably could, but I mean, I already got this in my hands.
Alright, let's finger it. There you go.
I was already fingered to, huh?
Yeah, once you get it loose, you just gotta finger it, dude. And it's weird because they got like little bolt batteries in there. Next, the front one. Alright, let's get your fingers. Finger bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
Right there, Cartman.
It's on your fingies, don't worry. Alright, now pull that thing off. Alright, let's see if we can pull that battery out.
What's wrong?
There's an Allen key right there.
Where?
They got shit hidden all over here, dude.
I mean, that would have been helpful to know, but it's too bad. You need to take off.
Yes. I don't know, try it. That was my fucking fingernail, dude. Nail, very fucking macho of me. Need a screwdriver or something?
No.
That wire's back. There you go. Pull it out, big boy. Pull it out. The hell's that big black wire stuck on there?
I don't know.
Let me see. Alright. Oh, you dropped all the things out of it. So you stick them in there, and then the bolts go in there, and tighten them up. Alright, let's go find the other battery. Right. It doesn't get your face. We don't need your face, do we?
No. I mean, I'm beautiful, but I know.
Alright, positive in the front, negative in the back, right?
Oh, we get caught on fucking everything, dude.
Ta-da!
Oh,
alright. Now, let's give me one of the metal things and a bolt.
Metal ones?
Yeah.
What is the
Right here.
one I found?
Use the ones they gave us.
No, I got the screwdriver, not the screw.
Even like on the other one. See, that worked.
Yeah. Always better than the ratchet anyway.
1024.
Yeah.
Get your socket back on there. Snug them up for me.
Put this back on?
What's that?
Put these back on?
No, snug these down with your socket.
Where'd it go?
Ooh. Oreo.
In my pockets.
You know what? I know whose it is. Because it's in my pocket. Yay! Click it the opposite way. Alright, don't go crazy. That's good. Make them snug as a bug. Alright. Now, you're good? Now you want to put the red cap back on the power. Alright. Yeah, it's got a cover. That's good. Now we got to find the other thing that we had.
What other thing?
This thing. Alright, remember how this goes?
Yeah.
These wires, do they go above it or below it?
I don't remember. I think they went below it. Well, I mean,
Like that. Let's do it like that. Alright, got your 2 bolts left. I think they were 8mm, right?
I don't remember.
Yeah, they were. They went right there. It's right here. The long johns. You know anything about long johns besides the one thermal underwear you wear?
It's hard to do one. You can't really rip it or get around
Well, put the sock. Just put the socket part on. Going the wrong way. Click the ratchet. There we go. Alright, do you know that one a little bit? That one, yes. Tight?
Yeah.
Alright, got your key?
Yeah.
Let's see if this pig pucker starts. Alright, where's the battery on this shit wagon? In the front?
Yeah.
Alright, let's clean the tools off. I'll get this. Pop your hood. That's the only problem because we had the battery for how fucking long?
A few months at least.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how long are like the ones at Walmart just sitting there?
Well, that's what they say, you know. All right, we gotta find jumper cables. All right, finally found my good jumper cables. Let's see if we can get to them. You know where they are, of course? In the front of the bed of my truck, with all this other crap. And of course, I'm too lazy to take the cover off. So let's have at it. Okay. Oh, God. Alrighty, man. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. These work because they have this little side snipper, you know, getting to the tight spots. Black in the back. Red in the front. Nice. Brown, brown, check. Still having a hard time? Okay. Yeah, it looks like that. So we'll put the clip on there, you know. That you can. Perfect. Dang it. Red, red, black, black.
That's right.
Ah. Yeah, it should. Alright, I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Alright, let's try it. It's been sitting for like what, 2 or 3 minutes? Dude, it's going to park it fast. Ready, set? There's fuel pump, that's a good sign. Alright, you kill that. Oh. I want to see if this is I want to see if it's strong enough to run on its own. The problem is you buy a Walmart battery, you don't know how long they're sitting for. Oh, it's alright. Once I hooked it up to the car, it only took maybe 15 minutes, you know, juicing it to fire over, and she's running now, so let's give her hell. Oh, you want to put it back together for now? I'm just leaving it like that. Alright, give it gas. This thing's gonna stall. Ah, that's running. Let it idle, see what happens. Do it while, you know, while we're here. Alright, what is this shit? Oh, that's a cover up the plastic. You still got the bolt for the back? Put it in there. Awesome sauce. Well, that's got to go back on too, but that's alright.
I don't know where that went.
I'll show you. Got your seat. Alright, make sure you slide it up onto the... Perfect. Yeah, this thing needs to be detailed.
Probably a lot more on my fingers first.
Yeah. What I would do is I would just kept it straight up like this, and just, you know, like that. There you go. And then when you need the leverage, put it down on the side. There you go. See? Perfect. All right. What we do today, bud? Put a new battery on your 600 Vulcan. Oh, fuck, we still got a freak. We got to put that on still. All right. Yeah, but you need your key, because that's going to lock in place. You can set it there now. I usually do. All right, so we put a new battery on your Kawasaki Vulcan 600. Wasn't that bad, right? Pretty freaking easy.
No, pretty easy.
Hey, if he can do it, anybody can do it. Come on. What? All right, home slice. You're going to take it for a rip.
I hope so.
Don't let it stall,
That's fine.
because I don't want to push this mother humper back.
Oh yeah. I should probably learn at home.
Nah, I think you're in here in the dirt road. Actually, it's a nice looking bike. There you go. That's my boy. What am I gonna say? Come on.